Please, my friends, 2 hours is all I give to you.
You will not do this to me. Why?
You stand in my way again, I will smash your head against that wall.
Since we're already talking marriage, why don't we just fast track it before?
Listen, right now I'm not ready for marriage.
It is so obvious that his village people are following him.
If it is meant for you, it must surely find its way back to you.
Let her not bring out the beast in me by telling me she's no longer interested in this relation. No, I will get angry. And the woman Radima.
No, darling, for all I care, I have been a fulfilled and happy woman without him.
It's not right for you to transfer that aggression on us.
That is exactly what I am going to do, Kingsley. If you don't take this girl out of my house, take her out of my house.
Now, look at you. This is you, and this is me. How would it work?
Character is the beauty of a woman. That is what you should be looking out for.
Yes, and this is what you people say to